let's watch the video. Yes, great. What's the video about? It's about a water park in the UAE. Nadia lives in Dubai in the UAE. Okay, let's watch.
Hi, I'm Nadia. I live in Dubai. I live here with my family. There are fun places in Dubai. The water park is my favourite place. I like playing in the water with my family. The water park has got lots of slides and lots of swimming pools. Look, here's a slide. You go down the slide and then you splash into the swimming pool. Splash! There are lots of beautiful fish at the water park. Look, these people are diving with the fish. I love visiting the water park. It's lots of fun.
That was a great video. I want to go to the water park. What do you want to do there? I want to play on the slides. Me too. I want to swim in the swimming pools too.